OpenAI just released GeneBench-Pro, a benchmark that asks a sharper question than usual. Can an AI actually do the judgment work of a scientist? Instead of summarizing, let's open the real announcement on OpenAI.com and highlight the lines that matter one by one. This is the post exactly as it appears on OpenAI's site. We'll read it top to bottom and mark every claim worth your attention. Right at the top, the framing. GeneBench-Pro is a research-level benchmark measuring how AI agents navigate ambiguity and make consequential judgments in computational biology. Judgment, not just for call. Here's the core motivation. Real scientific research doesn't just recall facts or follow a fixed workflow. It depends on higher-order judgment, and that's exactly what most benchmarks miss. They even give it a name. Within GeneBench-Pro, they define research taste as the chains of judgment calls that shape an analysis, which questions the data can actually support. And why biology? As sequencing has gotten cheap, the limiting factor is no longer collecting samples. It's the downstream computation and analysis. That's the bottleneck this measures. Now the scope. It's 129 questions covering a broad range of computational biology settings and methods, spanning genomics, quantitative biology, and translational medicine. Here's the clever part. Each GeneBench-Pro problem is built synthetically, so they know the full causal structure and can verify answers against a real ground truth. And they pressure the design in another way. Through ablation studies, they confirm that plausible but incorrect analyses actually fail, so you can't pass by luck or by matching an author's preference. It's also externally vetted. They sent 82 of the 129 questions to outside domain experts, graduate students, postdocs, and professors, to check that each problem is realistic and well-posed. And listen to what a reviewer said. These problems would be challenging for a graduate student to complete without feedback from an experienced supervisor. This is hard, real science. Finally, how models are tested. Agents get an isolated workspace with a short prompt, the data files, and a standard bioinformatics stack, then have to reach a decision-ready answer. So what a takeaway. GeneBench-Pro tests scientific judgment, not recall, across 129 computational biology problems. Every problem is built synthetically, so answers verify against a known ground truth. Experts reviewed 82 of them and called the tasks graduate-level hard. Frontier models still solve well under half, so real research judgment is still the frontier. For more announcements read line by line, visit Standarity.com. See you next time.